Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing an image in Canva is a straightforward process, and it involves several powerful tools and options for enhancing or customizing your images. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to open the existing project that you're working with or the design. If you haven't already, just click on the Create a Design option on the upper left corner. You can choose from any of these templates. You can use for videos, print products, presentations, whiteboards, docs. In my case, I'm going to be working on a social media, and that's going to be a YouTube thumbnail, because after recording this video, I'm going to upload a YouTube thumbnail along with it in our Gplats YouTube channel. Now, if you want to edit your own image, click on the Uploads tab in the left panel and upload your image from your computer. If you don't have, you can use the photos on the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the photos you want to edit for a trial or experiment. In our case, I'm going to be using this one right here. So when editing an image, you have all of these options. If you click on the edit button here, what will happen is that you have all of this under your disposal. You can use the shadows, all right? You can use the glow right here. You can increase the intensity, blur amount if you want, and the size. You see that? You can use the drop. Similarly, click on the angle and the blur amount, outline, curve, page lift, angle, and backdrop. So you can use all of these. You can use the dual tone if you feel like you wanted to have like a retroactive effect. You can use the highlights, intensity. You can use these options: amber, mustard, sea green, pop, violet, sea blue, and a lot more. These are some of your options, all right? In terms of the blur right here, you can use the brush. I'm gonna minimize the image so you can see that. I'm gonna undo this for now. Go to edit again. Go to the blur effect. Now in blur, you would notice that there's going to be the brush size. You can increase that. You can increase part of the image if you wanted. Say, for example, I'm going to put in a blur on this. Now, the purple color is not putting a color on the part of an image. Instead, that is going to be the surface area that will be affected when you click on the blur. You see that? You can also apply this to the Canva logo here. If you release the mouse, that would happen. If you want to blur the whole image, you can intensify that into this, or go back to 0. All right, go back to blur. After that, there's going to be an option for the mockups. If you wanted, you can use the pixelify. All right, if you open that, what will happen is it would be forwarded here. It gives your image a retro look kind of vibe. Pixelating image, you see that? If you click on the intensity, click on replace, this would happen. All right, so these are going to be some of your options. If you use the screen, you can also do that. Click on open. This would lead you to have like a screen effect, a halftone, a semitone, corduroy. All right, so these are some of your options in editing your image. Liquify if you wanted. See that? Click on open. And of course, you can choose all of these. All right. Now, I'm going to undo everything here. I'm going to log into another account because the resizing and the other option requires a pro subscription. Let me just switch to my other account for a very quick second. Now, let me click on the edit again. There are more powerful tools when you use the magic eraser. Now, the magic eraser right here is one of the best tools here in Canva. If you wanted to remove a part of the graphics, for example, the text right here, You see the surface area that is being affected. That's not putting a purple color. Instead, that is going to be the surface area which is going to be affected when I click this button that says erase. Right? So wait for it. It'll take a little while, but you would see the magic will happen if you click that. You see that? All right, so let's do that again. Magic eraser. I'm gonna minimize again the brush sizes. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger this time. So this time I'm going to click again the erase and see what will happen. These are some of your options or the editing toolbar here in Canva. So you might want to subscribe to the Canva Pro so you have all these tools. Now, the background remover is one of the best tool here where you wanted to remove any kinds of background and you wanted to retain the image. You can also do that in the other photos here in Canva. For example, this Halloween. Click the background remover and voila. All right, you can do this all day. But there's a lot that you can work with. Background remover. Of course, this one right here. You can put it here. There's a lot of stuff that you can play with, right? This one right here, you can use this one right here. Click on background remover, and of course you can curate all of these images right here if you wanted. You can animate if you want. Say for example, sleek, fun. You can animate on both, on enter or an exit. I'm gonna click on animate on both for now and apply to all pages. So these are some of your options. All right. After that, if you click on the this option right here that says more, you can put in some layer, show timing, comment, link, lock, and set image as background. All right. If you hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, you see there's going to be an option that says background. You can also add an interesting background here, such as maybe this one right here, to make your images stand out. This auto enhance feature can quickly improve the overall look of the image by adjusting all of these colors and sharpness automatically. All right, so these are some of the options. Of course, you can use the transparency here if you feel like it's harsh. You can flip the image horizontally, vertically. You can choose the color rounding. You see that? You can intensify that. You can be creative. You can put in the baseline and position and all of that. All right. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on download. You can download as MP4, JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, or SVG. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.